Hi friends, welcome back to Soumya's Cooking Corner. Today I am going to show you a special recipe from chicken, that is Haryali chicken. Now take a mixer jar, add coriander leaves, mint leaves and 7 to 8 green chilies. Make a fine paste and keep aside. Heat 3 tablespoons oil, add cinnamon and cloves, onions. Here I took 2 onions. Fry it for 1 minute. Now add 2 to 3 green chilies and fry it. Now add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and again fry it for 2 minutes. Now we'll add 1 kg of chicken. One teaspoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, and mix it well and cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the grinded paste and mix it well and cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Now the chicken is almost cooked. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon cummin powder, 1 tablespoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala and mix it well. This is a semi-gravy recipe. We can have it with roti, chapatis and rice also. And it tastes very good. Now finally we'll add kasthuri methi and some curry leaves and mix it well. Now it is done. We'll serve it to the serving plate. Now the mouth-watering Haryali chicken is ready. Friends, hope you all liked this video. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.